Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. First of all, thank you guys for watching our videos and subscribing. Thank you for helping us grow the channel together. And today, guys, on Hyundai Elantra, we'll show you how to remove and replace the brake light bulb. This one should cover the generation from 2011 all the way until 2016. So the brake light bulb is the one right here. You can see if yours is not working, left and right side will be identical, guys. So we'll demonstrate on one side only. So stay with us and we'll see how to do that now. Okay guys, we're going to open the trunk now. Okay, right there. And actually what we're going to do, I'll remove that thing out of the place so we can have more room. Okay, you can see left right side are identical. We'll just pick one now. Okay, so this cover right here, there is one notch that you need to push in. Okay, you can see this piece like that, and then you can open it. Okay, like that. Next we'll need to remove the tail light. We'll need a 10mm socket. Okay, or you can even use a wrench, regular wrench as well, and remove 3 nuts. Careful not to drop them, guys, inside the trunk, okay, because otherwise you have to remove that carpet out of the way so you can get to the nut. Okay, that's what the nuts look like. 3 identical nuts. Okay, and there is something that you should know how to do now, because otherwise you might break the tail lamp. So stay with us. We'll need to disconnect the wires. Okay, push in on the center piece and pull out. Okay, that piece. Okay, you push in and you pull the wires apart. Next, let me explain you quick. Right here there is a hidden clip that's holding, so you need to pull towards the back. Okay, that's the clip I'm talking about. It goes right here in the tail light. Then you can pull the seal. When you install it, you have to install the metal piece to go between the 2 rubber ones you can see in the groove. Oh guys, so the brake light now, the brake light is the big bulb, okay, right here. So when you come on the back side, it's that orange brownish thing, so you need to turn counterclockwise, okay, about 30 degrees. Okay, pull it out. Okay, now the bulb, guys, it's very important how you do it. Okay, let me get a good angle. You need to push down, twist counterclockwise, pull it out. Okay, this is the old bulb. Okay, now let me grab the new bulb. This is the new bulb right here. We have the links for all the bulbs and stuff on our website mechaniclifestyle.com, and you can check out more details in the description of the video. You need to get it in, install it, okay, and now it goes only one certain way. Okay, and you need to go counterclockwise. So that's how you guys remove and replace the brake light bulb on Hyundai Elantra. So you install everything in reverse order. We took it apart. Don't forget to get the 3 nuts tight, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.